Hello viewers, I'm Bindu from EduTrainex. We get lot of YouTube comment about people not getting their desired scores in the PT exam. In this video, we will ask our PT expert what are the simple but blunder mistakes that people make while preparing the exam. I'm sure you are going to get lot of useful information from this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Hey Anurag, please help to answer the one and the most important question that I want to raise on behalf of PT student, which is why 90% of people fail in exam, not able to achieve 79 plus score despite of following all techniques.
Well, thanks Bindu for raising this brain twisting question that has been flooding the YouTube for some time now. Why do 90% of the people fail in the PT exam despite following so many techniques? There are 4 primary reasons behind this. The first and the foremost reason is that you follow the wrong advice. And you are not to blame because you are looking for information on the YouTube, and wherever you see a lot of subscribers and a lot of views, then you just blindly follow their templates and their techniques without actually knowing that their techniques and the templates have an expiry date with it. What I mean is, let me show you an example of a very popular channel on the YouTube, and the retail lecture template that they have been using has some grammar issues. I checked on Grammarly and tried making sentences using the template that he has. And you can see there are grammatical issues in that, mentioned about, explained about. These are not grammatically correct. So I commented on his channel that, hey, why are you teaching wrong English to the people who are preparing for the PT exam? Then he said, it's a speaking task and this technique works. So you see, some techniques that may be working today may not be working tomorrow. That's what I mean, that these techniques will have an expiry date. Because maybe in the future, the PT AI decides to mark it grammatically. So at that point of time, you can't rely on such videos. So then again, you have to refer back to new videos being published by them, where they will improve their grammatical mistakes and then ask you to follow that. But in the meantime, if you give the exam, and what's going to happen? You're going to lose precious marks by following some wrong advice. So you need to be careful and you need to do your due diligence before actually starting to follow something blindly. Another popular channel that I saw have been publishing some advertisements saying that their techniques are now not working, saying that their students are not getting marks in the speaking section. What they are doing is now selling another package with improved templates and improved techniques. Who is at the losing end? You guys are. So basically, if you are using their templates, previous templates, now you are not going to get marks using them. So you have to keep following them, keep looking at the new videos. So this is a marketing technique that they are trying to impose on you. So that's the first reason. You follow wrong advice on the internet and then you lose marks in the PT. Well, I can just remember about the Kawa Biryani episode that happened for this guy.
क्या हुआ भाई? दरअसल हम 5 रुपए वाला चिकन बिरयानी खाए थे। भैया वो कौवा बिरयानी है। कौवा बिरयानी?
He went to buy chicken biryani for 5 rupees and then in return he got kawa biryani. Be careful with the templates or the techniques that have an expiry date.
Okay, that's great. What more mistake do you think these students make?
The second reason behind not being successful in the PT exam is because you don't put enough time for preparation. You think that this is just a normal exam you can clear in 1 month or a week or so. And sometimes, these immigration agents or the study visa agents, they put pressure on you. So you have 1 month or 2 months and then you need to clear the exam in this time. So ideally, the English language skills can't be developed in one day. So you need time, you need effort to put and invest on yourself so that you can improve your English levels. Time is a very key factor here. Please do put a lot of time and effort throughout your preparation, whether it's 1 month, it's 2 months, or whether it's 15 days.
Awesome! So, do you think if they put sufficient time, they can clear the PT exam?
Absolutely. But there is another important factor, or you could say a major blunder that people make in their preparation and do not succeed. What is that? This major mistake is that people just start following the shortcut techniques and start practicing questions. There are two types of students, one who want to improve and the second one who doesn't want to improve.
With respect to PT exam, how can people improve their English levels?
The people who don't want to improve just start using the techniques, the shortcut techniques, and from the day one, and then they just do a lot of practice questions. Is that going to help you if you are not improving on your mistakes? Think about it. On the other hand, people who want to improve are actually working on their skills. So they are developing their English skills and then starting the practice or following the proper techniques. So once you do the preparation on your English levels, and then if you start practicing, then you will definitely see a rise in your scores. So that's the simple mathematics that you need to apply. Again, think about it. And the last one, as I said before, that people do not work on their skills, specifically related to the tasks which are very important for the PT exam. For example, the reading, fill in the blanks, reading and writing, fill in the blanks, speaking, repeat sentence, speaking, read aloud, and write from dictation. These are the tasks that you should start preparing from the day one. Of course, you should also work on your English skills at the same time, but these are the tasks that you need to focus. Why? Because these tasks require some grammar knowledge, some vocabulary knowledge. So unless you start from the day one, how are you going to improve on that? Again, think about it. What I am saying is the difficult ones you have to start at the initial stage. The easy ones that can be solved using the templates or that can be solved using the shortcut techniques. The writing tasks especially. Write essay, summarize written text. You can do it very, very quickly, maybe in 1 or 2 days. But the main focus area that you should put is these tasks that I just mentioned. So just to summarize, the 4 mistakes that people make and they do not clear the PT exam are, first of all, following the wrong advice on the internet. The second one is not putting enough time in your preparation. The third one is not improving your basic English levels. The fourth one is not focusing on the super critical tasks which are guaranteed to take your PT score to the highest levels. If you follow these advice closely, then you will see that your scores are rising day by day. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and fellow PT aspirants. See ya.